What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another summer day of HVAC here in Florida. It's about to be a banger. If y'all don't mind, comment down below banger. Smash the like button. Got an estimate. TXV 3 no cools. Let's knock it out. Have some satisfied customers by the time we're done and get on with the day. Yee!
It's during the winter time. I don't have no problem.
Yeah, for sure.
But now,
Oh man, they really packed it in there, didn't they?
yeah.
That's hilarious. Let's see. We'll have to take that cover off to see. It's an old Aquatherm system. We just have to like cut and see if your whole It is Baker. Got the mod box. It's coming in. All right, I'm gonna try something first because what ended up happening is I ended up running a spiderweb new drain line because I'll tell you guys. So I ran that out. Okay. And reason being with this TXV, I'm gonna just double check it real quick. Carrier makes the absolute worst replacement for TXV and for everybody. Just took it off. Made it connection spot there. Let's see, but it didn't actually drop the pressures down, which is a good thing. Alright, so the story at this one is, they've always had issues, but I ended up, as you can see, I ran a new drain line, didn't have any 90s, so we 45'd it, whatever. Ugly, yeah, such is life. So what was happening is the drain line under the house is broken. It runs through a chase down here in Florida. All of them run under the foundations generally, out through a chase. And I would come here on maintenances, and I would suck out probably 15 to 20 gallons of water out of the chase and whatever. And then sometimes the superheat would be non-existing, liquids getting back to the compressor. And I just figured because that chase would be filled up with such cold water, you know, it would cause it to do that, to open up. So I was like, all right, potentially the TXV is bad. Well, then I was like, you know what, before I even bother doing all that, let me do this. Took the TXV off, checked the bulb, and it would do what it was supposed to do with my hand, and then I restrapped, repositioned it, cleaned the coil. You saw that coil was in rough shape. It's all about that airflow, baby. So this was the old drain. I was just making sure there's no more in there. And as you can see, that's about it. Residual water, probably. So much better. But you can see the discoloration on that compressor. That thing's been running pretty hot. I'm sure, you know, that liquid was definitely getting back there. Combination of that dirty coil as well as that water. So this one's banged out. I'm wrapping this one up. Now we go get on to the next call. Let's go. Third call. It's running. You hear it? Here it is. It's running. Let's see what it is. Here's an issue. Did this shit freeze up? Look at. Yep. She's froze. Well, yeah, that'll do it. And that's the whole thing. That's not just the valve. That's the whole thing. Let's thaw it out. So yeah, last time I was here, the head pressure just now was about the same. That's crazy. Slowly breaking this up, breaking this all down. So clear that out, throw it over there. Definitely low, gotta find the leak. No, man, I don't know. Couldn't find a leak inside. I took my DR, whatever that field piece joint is, took it in there hard, all that moisture. Ooh. You hear that? Golly. That compressor sound. Alright, I'm trying to see if I see any oil stains in here. I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing, man. So I'm just gonna tighten these up. A little twisty twist. Little 1/4-inch twist on them. Nothing crazy. Yeah, I mean, ain't no way that's what it was. So I'm gonna go discuss with the homeowner the options they have. This system is 2017, out of a warranty because they just moved in. So discuss the options. And kind of go from there. Turn this back on. With that call, since it was over 5 years, and they're not the original owners, warranty was voided, you know the jazz. They just elected to go ahead and gas it up. I added 2 pounds of refrigerant, so it wasn't extremely low. So we'll see how it goes. I told them just to let us know how it does overnight, and by the time we get, through the weekend, if it's fine, we can come back and dive in deeper for them. All right, 82. We'll just do this real quick, just in case we get it going. Fan is running. They did say this was soaking wet around here. Ooh, well, it's gonna be because this isn't insulated. Let's see. Well, yeah, it's actually pretty clean compared to what you would see most. Bone dry. Probably just a, well, maybe not. I can't just say that yet. So this is, compressor came on. Not very cold though. You all ready for this? It's probably gonna be no problem. Let me get that out. It's always like this. Yep. You wonder why. I could do it. That'll do it. Edge of the end. It's not like. Alright. Well, there's that. Check outside. Alright, let's see. This one's saying condenser's not running. Sounds like it's running to me. Hot. Cooling. Come on, dude. I love our veterans. He was actually a drill sergeant. Really cool, but he's like deaf from like Vietnam. It's So I gotta, yeah, and I like to yell, so it works. So watch, let's see if I can do it. I know that thing's working.
Huh?
I know it's working.
It's working?
Yeah,
How do you know?
I felt it.
You what?
I felt it. Yeah, I know last time, I think you were gone, the thermostat was acting goofy. And I told him we would replace it last time, but he didn't like the price.
I still don't like it. And how much is the thermostat?
I think we did what, 264?
224?
264?
10 veterans?
Veterans discount, so yeah. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, it's actually like 164.
Okay,
Yeah.
you can put it in.
Okay. Plus the $99
For what?
to come out here.
Oh
The
man.
dispatch fee.
Whatever.
I'll wait. I'll give you a. Hey, you're a veteran, man. We got you.
You what?
You're a veteran. We got you. Take care. So that's what we're rocking with right here. Gonna just double check the probes. I think because he had it in the auto feature, it was actually giving this a false reading. Seeing it just went to 85. So let's get rid of this thing. And we'll put a new one in. T6, baby. Obviously just reading 90 because it was in the truck. There she is, program ready to rock and roll. In a time delay, so we'll see what happens. All right. We over here at the last call for right there. Sounds like the compressor is running. Let's see if we got any heat transfer there. Got a little bit of heat. That fan looks a little goofy. Got a little drippity drip. And if I'm not mistaken, these are upstairs, so let's see what's up. We'll probably come out here and gauge up. Got the lake over there. A little bit of water there, it's damp. Water. There. Oh, this one hilarious. She's probably sitting outside. I can't talk too much. Hold on. And y'all know the pro tip, right? Just put the little licket split on there so you can get able to read those model and serials. This thing's ice cold, baby. It's mistaken on these carriers, it's usually a 1.5. So, mold. We check the 3S's. It's pretty nice. It snaps off. Just going, boys. Yeah. We'll check this. This is probably just fine. This is a weird one. So this house faces southeast west, as you can see. It's getting heat all day, and I guarantee that insulation is garbage. This is a typical, 15 SEER damn carrier. People just expect the world from these systems, man. So, ain't nothing wrong with it. customer's expectation for this system's a little too high. The bar is set a little too high. They expected to, I mean, it's maintaining 72 on a, I don't even know what the temperature is, but I'm sure it's above, it's pushing 100. So if you can maintain that 20 degrees, you're doing quite all right. Now I lost my bits, fell off of this. Definitely a lot of pitting. Coil looks pretty decent actually. Shut this off. So I can check that motor. Is there an audible, like the bearings maybe? See if that lower's imbalanced or not. There's definitely build-up causing maybe. No. Solid. And that's gonna conclude the video. Y'all already know it's dinner time. It's late, but you know, gotta feed the kids and the wife. Anyways, if y'all don't mind smashing that like button, comment down below banger, because you know that's what we putting out. All my subscribers, I appreciate y'all. If y'all like the video and you ain't a subscriber, consider subscribing. I'll catch y'all on the next one.